Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my posture corrector. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a package like this. Let's take it out of the package. So if you're like me, you're someone that sits on the computer all day for work or on your phone, you're creating content, you're editing videos, or you're just needing something to pull your shoulders back, give you that nice upright position instead of the slouch like I have. You want to go ahead and have something that's all day pulling your shoulders back and giving you that nice posture, then this is something for you. Included in here is a guide. So it has a guide. It kind of shows you how to use it. It also gives you a sizing chart. It gives you methods to use it and what it's going to do for you and how long you should wear it. So definitely check the manual that is included out. First impressions, it is actually pretty lightweight. It is not heavy. It does not feel bulky. That was going to be very, very bulky. Let me give you a close-up on this. It does have like Velcro. Take a look. So the Velcro does have a good grip. This is what the strap looks like. And then this side. So this is just to adjust and make sure when you put it on. So the straps are adjustable, and the way that you want to do that is you just go ahead and pull the Velcro in closer, and that'll go ahead and pull this strap down to go ahead and ensure that it is nice and tight, especially on the top part on the shoulder area. So this is perfect for all body types, but do make sure that you check the sizing guide to ensure that you get the correct size for your body type. All right, so let me go ahead and put it on. So you want to go ahead and put it on, like if you're putting on a backpack, you want to go ahead and put your arms through the straps. So it does have some rods on the back part. I'm going to go ahead and show you the back piece. As you can see, it has the brace right here, but look at the material. Just very, very good quality. These are the waistbands. These are actually the stretchy ones. So they're actually stretchy, so if you need to stretch it out. And the brace right here is nice and hidden, as you can see. There is 3 different sizing options available: small, medium, and large. I want to show you when I pull. This is me that I'm going to pull and tie it around. And again, you could adjust the straps as well. It's like pulling my shoulders back. All right, so you want to go ahead and adjust it to your proper posture. I could definitely feel it now that I've adjusted it. It definitely pulled me back. So take a look. Instead of that slouch posture, it's going to go ahead and bring your shoulders back. And keep you standing nice and upright. Work on the computer, so it's going to go ahead and ensure that you maintain that straight posture instead of slouching. You could definitely feel it when you slouch, so it's going to go ahead and remind you to sit up straight. The great thing about this is that you could use it at home, you could use it at work, at the gym, and it's also thin enough to use it underneath your clothing if it's something that you want to take with you all day. I just kind of wanted to go ahead and put it over my clothing just to show you what it looks like, just to kind of adjust it in front of you so you could see how easy it is to put on. It's nothing technical. You just slip it on and adjust it to your right side. So if you're someone that's been slouching and you've been looking for an alternative or an option to help you with this, something that you could go ahead and wear throughout the day to remind you to go ahead and stand up straight to help you out, then definitely check this one out. Also make sure to check the sizing chart to ensure that you get the correct size for yourself. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more review videos.